Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So yeah, your girl is back with another wig video. This time, this is a used wig that I am reinstalling. Yeah, look at that bun. I was feeling myself. Okay. And I also have a lot of used wigs on my website, www.simplycloud9.com. So go ahead and click the link down below if you would like to purchase one of my used wigs. So here's a little bite break, get into that lace. So before we get started on the install, I'm showing you guys how I went to the hair store and bought a pack of chocolate extensions to add into my wig. So I store my wigs in these little pink bags, and this is what it looks like. I do wash and air dry my wig, so if you do buy a used wig from me, it will be washed and air dried and sent to you like that. So I'm going to take these bundles and add it to this wig. I did that off camera, but yeah. So showing you guys my install really quick, and nothing has changed. I'm just going to show you guys while I talk to you really quick because lately I have been MIA. I haven't posted a video in about a month, and that is because I have started a new business. So working on building that up off the ground as well as my old business. So just kind of shifting gears, switching up what I'm doing pretty much. And I have been getting a couple messages on Instagram and stuff, like, Ty, what's going on? Are you okay? Yes, I am perfectly fine. I'm just kind of taking a break from YouTube without taking a break, you know, changing my focus around. And also in my last video, while I was filming my hair, I had a little breakdown because my sister did pass from COVID. So, it's just really hard when you actually grieving the loss of a loved one. It's a roller coaster. One minute you're fine, the next minute you're not. So I can understand how a lot of people was a little alarmed by me not posting and stuff like that, but I'm okay. Yes, I do still have my days and the times that I get sad about my sister and all of that stuff, but I'm actually okay. You life goes on. You learn how to deal with it and how to cope. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. Everything is good. Besides Mother Nature, it came today. Surprise, surprise. But that's not a surprise for me because, girl, I was happy. And another question I always get is, Ty, do you want kids? Are you and your husband gonna have kids? No, we do not want kids. I know y'all like, what? But no, we do not want kids at this time and not in the next couple of years. I have a businesses going on. We've only been married a year. We're still, trying to travel. We're still trying to build. We're still trying to learn each other. And we just do not want kids at the moment. I'm 32 years old, and give me a couple more years, and maybe your girl will pop out a baby. But right now, I'm just living my life, and I'm happy with my dog and my husband. Okay, so here's the end result I'm showing you guys. We actually went to the beach, and this is 7 days later. So the wig is still attached. Everything, we even like got in the ocean water, all of that, and look, nothing. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out and install another used wig. So my next couple of videos that you guys see will be used wigs. However, I will let you know if that used wig will be on my website, and first come, first serve. My wigs are all very, very affordable. Can't get any cheaper than that. So click the link down below and go get you a wig, girl. This one not for sale, but yeah.